testament to our dedication to making our This result is a vision of the Son of the Soul, Sir Royston Hopkins. His dedication to hospitality and his service helped to shape a culture of excellence at the Spice Island Beach Resort. Today it is a AAA 5-diamond resort, a locally owned gem that speaks Grenadian greatness. Experience matters when it rains, and the visit is not complete without a underwater sculpture park, where folklore and history add to the awesome scenery of corals and reefs. Just like Grenada brings much more spices to the world. Our people and our culture have left indelible imprints on the world. We celebrate our torchbearers like Granny James and the Olympians. They have represented us on the world stage, bringing notoriety to us. Having 5 Olympic medals and a founding feat for all sport and association. We celebrate countless other Canadian torchbearers who have displayed and continue to display the best of us. They inspire us to dream big and to look to the future with aspiration. Our collective vision for the future drives us all, and we are not afraid to imagine the possibilities. The future holds many things. We will become regional leader in healthcare. Our state-of-the-art teaching hospital will form the cornerstone of a robust medical tourism industry. We will leverage our spices, herbs, and tranquil environment to position ourselves in the multi-level We believe in the preservation of our environment. It is one of our greatest assets. This is why we believe that the diverse energy sector is necessary, not only to propel our growth, but to ensure that our environment does not pay too much a price for our development. We, in a strategic way, intend to tap into other sources of energy, taking advantage of our sun, sea, wind, and land. Our vision is to ensure that we can integrate renewable energy into our developmental agenda. Our vision includes a future where family and community is the focus. We envision strong communities rooted in the African philosophy Ubuntu. I am because we are. At the core of this vision is financial security. We want to ensure that families have the means to tend to their basic needs and realize their dreams and aspirations. Strong families equal strong communities, and strong communities equal a stronger Grenada. Part of our vision, we want to reimagine the world of work. We envision a future where skills are at the forefront and our citizens are well trained and poised to take advantage of opportunities in traditional and non-traditional fields. The world is a global village, and so we want our citizens to be global citizens. Our vision is a future where Grenada is the model to the region and to the world, and every Canadian is able to realize